How to check if your phone is being tracked? Are you concerned that your phone might be tracked? Here's a step-by-step guide to check for any suspicious activity. First, open your phone's settings and navigate to the location or privacy section. Check the app list and review which apps have access to your location. Uninstall any apps you don't recognize or no longer use. Next, check your battery usage. Let's go back and open Battery option. If you notice an app consuming an unusual amount of power, it might be a sign of hidden tracking software. Next, go back to the Settings menu and inspect your mobile data usage. Open your data settings and look for spikes or apps using more data than usual. These can indicate that your information is being sent elsewhere. Another step is to restart your phone and observe if any unfamiliar apps or settings appear after the reboot. If you still suspect something is wrong, run a trusted antivirus scan or reset your phone to factory settings. By following these actions, you can secure your device and help ensure your privacy.